So let's say you have a property owner. They indicate that they need to sell their property for at least $142,000. You as a sales associate need to assist them with coming up with a list price that'll cover not only your commission, but also cover their closing costs. Now you go over, do your homework, maybe get with the title company, and you come to the conclusion that their closing costs will be around $3,700. So we know we at least have to tack on the $3,700 onto the $142,000 that the customer needs to get off of their house. This now gives us a sell price of $145,700. Now let's say typically as a brokerage commission for this type of transaction, you usually sell for 6%. Now here's where the math gets a little tricky. When you multiply and divide, based on the percentage, you're either going to get a smaller or a larger number. When it comes to division, when you divide into a smaller than 100% number, it equals a bigger number. So it'll take 100%, which will be the total list value, and we're going to subtract the 6% commission rate from that the sales associate wants. This leaves 94% that remains for the seller. So what we do is we take the $145,700 list price minimum, divide it by 0.94 or 94%, and that tells us that if we list the property for $155,000 and then take away from that 6%, then that will be the amount that we need, the $145,700, that will cover the customer's cost for closing and also equal the amount that they needed from the property. So the property must sell for at least $155,000 to cover the estimated closing costs, cover the commission rate for the sales associate, and equal $142,000 that the seller is trying to net.